I've had an on and off relationship with running since 2012 when I was an undergraduate student at the University of Cape Coast in Ghana. But then doing it on a regular basis was really hard. Like getting myself to wake up in the morning, wear all this running stuff and get out and run was like a big hurdle for me. So I wasn't doing it very frequently. But in 2019, everything changed. I became addicted to running and it just became a normal routine for me. Every Saturday morning, when I wake up, I know that I'm going for running at least 5 to 10K. And not only that, I also started exercising on the weekdays. I'm sure you're wondering, how did this happen? So it all started on the 22nd of November, 2019. It was my dad's birthday and I wasn't home to celebrate with him. And so I had been thinking, I wanted to do something special to mark this day. So when I woke up that morning, I got this crazy idea to go for a run just in honor of my dad's birthday. If it were any other regular day, I would have had 1,001 reasons why it wasn't a good idea to go for a run on a Friday morning. But surprisingly, on this day, I didn't have any excuses. It just sounded really like a cool idea to do a 5 to 10K run in honor of my dad. I got dressed up and I went for the run and I came back and it felt so good. It was like doing something out of the ordinary just in honor of my dad's birthday. So the birthday was over and then I slipped back into my old self, so only exercising when convenient. So in December, my mom also had her birthday and I was thinking, if I ran 10K for my dad and I didn't run anything for my mom, that's not fair, right? So I did what anyone would do not to feel guilty of loving one parent more than the other. I got dressed up and I went for a run in honor of my mom's birthday. And then after that, it just spiraled from there. Whenever any of my friends had a birthday or a graduation ceremony or anything and I wasn't there physically, I just said, okay, I'll do a 5K run in honor of this special day. And then it just continued. I couldn't stop anymore and I kept doing 5K for this person, thank you for that person, and then it became my regular routine. And now every Saturday morning when I wake up, I just know that I'm going for running. Like I don't even have any discussion with myself about it. And during the weekdays when I wasn't having enough time to go for a run, it just felt a bit like something was missing, and so I started doing simple stretching exercises in my room or just a simple cardio exercise before I go to work. So for those of you who are not already exercising on a regular basis, this is my little challenge for you. Whatever your favorite sport is, it could be walking, doing jumping jacks, or push-ups, squats, whatever it is. Next time any of your loved ones has either a birthday or graduation ceremony, or maybe just, I don't know, someone just passed an exam, just try it. Give them 1,000 steps in honor of their birthday or 20 jumping jacks for someone who just graduated to celebrate them. Whatever is in your capacity, just try it. You might just get addicted. So good luck with that and let me know in the comments how it goes.